Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video of the Discord.js version 13 series. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to create a full command handler for your Discord bot that we talked about in the last episode. And we'll create some simple commands. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is go into your Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code, whatever you chose. And first of all, I've changed the token, so yeah. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is we'll use the existing file. So what we'll do in this episode is we're going to create basic prefix commands. In the next episode, we're going to create a slash command handler and a prefix command handler. So first of all, what you need to do is do client.on message create. Right here, add message in, and then an arrow function, and then do if author if message dot content equals exclamation mark ping. You can add a prefix in the config.json file, or you can just do const prefix equals we'll do exclamation mark for now. Alright, so we'll delete this, we'll add it in backticks, and then we'll do prefix, then ping. Open some curly brackets right here, message dot channel dot send, or message or channel dot send, but I prefer message dot channel dot send, and then pong. Alright, so this is a basic command. I know it's very easy, but what we're gonna do now is if client.author .bot return alright. So what's doing now is checking if the client author is a bot and then returning it. Well, we're gonna add this later. It's much better now, but to keep it simple, I'll remove it. If you want to, you can add it. Now click File and save all. Go to your terminal and type in npm run dev. Alright, so as you can see, it has logged in right here. And if I do exclamation mark ping, alright, 1 second. Alright, so I figured out the issue. It turns out that I misspelled message right here. Oh, well, alright. Yeah, I've removed, you can add this right here to make it more pretty, but yeah, you can add a prefix right here. But yes, it should still work with the prefix though, because I've added the exclamation mark at the beginning of the line right here. Alright, the bot is restarting right now. Okay, it should work. Alright, and as you can see, it has replied with Pong. So you can just keep on adding this right here. If message to content and message to reply ping. If you have like a regular size bot, if you don't, you should create a command handler. We're gonna explain that in the next episode, but I'm gonna create an info command right now. So add right here message embed. Alright, so I've added message embed right here. So right here, I'm gonna create const info embed equals new message embed right here. So I'm gonna set the color to random. I'm gonna set the title to info, right, dot set Alright, so we're gonna review the documentation right now. So we're gonna go to discord js.guide. Alright, so this should pretty much have everything explained right here, initial files and everything. If you need more info, go to discord.js.guide. I'll leave this link in the description. It'll have every single thing explained, permissions and everything. So what we're gonna do is search for embed. Right here. As you can see, this is we're gonna create some basic, but we're gonna create it in the form of an info. So right here, as you can see, add field. It's great. This is basically inline, so I'm gonna just explain it to you right here. Add field. I think that's how you spell it. Sec. Oh yeah, add field. Well, I'll just copy paste it. It's fine. All right. Okay. So first of all, what you're gonna create here is user ID. Right here, I'm gonna create some backtext. Right here, client.user.id. So if you want to make this to mention the user, it'll take some more code, but I'm just gonna make it for one user. So dot add field user name right here, message dot author. Oh yeah, excuse me, right here. Forgot. This is message dot author dot id. Yeah, this should work, because if we added the client right here, we're basically getting the ID of the bot, not the author. So yeah, message dot author dot name, or tag for the full tag. Alright, we're gonna make this inline. The add field. Alright. We're gonna add yeah, that's basically it for the basic command. Set set footer. I think that's how it is. 1 second. So as you can see, the documentation is very handy for you to help you memorize stuff like this. This has the syntax by the curly brackets and stuff. So you can just get this from the documentation and then just paste it in here, or you can code it out if you want to. You can just copy this to help you remember it more. But I'm just gonna copy paste it. Alright, so I'm gonna name it Lunar Bot. Wait, no, DJS bot. I'm not gonna need that kind of URL, but you can add that. I'm just gonna leave it as default right here, so we'll just keep that discord.js. So once we're done with this one right here, what we're gonna do is message dot reply, then embeds in the square brackets right here. I'm gonna add in the info embed, or you can just remove these and just put that in there, but I don't think that's gonna work. It was decrypted. Alright, save all and wait for it to start. Alright, so what we're gonna do is exclamation mark info. Oh, I've opened it up here by accident. I misspelled that. Well, my bad. Right. File and save all. It should have restarted. Okay. Exclamation mark info. Oh, 1 sec. Alright, so exclamation mark info. And as you can see, it displayed our user ID, our ID and username. If you want code for a full help command, and also an info command. Everything's going to be in my GitHub. Everything that we've coded up until now or in the later episodes are going to be in GitHub, different branches or whatever. So yeah, you can visit my GitHub. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this episode. I know it was short, but just explaining to you how to create simple prefix commands to get you up and started. So in the next episode, we're gonna explain how to create a command handler with a couple lines of code. It's not gonna be that complicated. So you can handle slash commands and prefix commands at the exact same time. And we're gonna create a help command and a actual info command that works with other users. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.